Costco is quietly making a change to its legendary $1.50 hot dog combo, and shoppers are split on the new option. Stick with me to find out exactly what is changing, because the price is staying the same. The Costco food court hot dog and soda combo has been $1.50 since the early 1980s. That price has held steady for more than 4 decades. Costco CEO Ron Vakris recently went on the record about the price. In an Instagram clip, Vakris said, "The hot dog price will not change as long as I am around." So what is actually changing? Costco is now offering a Kirkland Signature bottled water as an alternative to the 20-ounce soda at some warehouses. Both options stay at the legendary $1.50 price. A Reddit user named Crimson Viper recently posted a photo of the self-service kiosk showing both options side by side. Shoppers online are largely thrilled about the new water pairing. One Redditor wrote, "This is awesome. Please, every Costco do this." Another fan said, "I would rather have the bottled water than the soda, for sure." But here's the catch. The new water combo is not yet available in every Costco location. According to social media posts, Costco began rolling out the change earlier this year in select warehouses. If your local Costco does not carry the water option, there is a workaround. Grab the regular hot dog and soda combo for $1.50, then buy a 40-count case of Kirkland Signature water. A 40-count case costs $3.99. That works out to just under 10 cents per bottle. Beyond the hot dog combo, savvy Costco shoppers stack savings by using cash-back credit cards on eligible purchases. Pairing the warehouse club's already low prices with the right rewards card is a simple way to stretch every shopping trip. The headline here is not really about a price hike, it is about choice. Costco is keeping the legendary $1.50 combo intact while quietly giving shoppers a healthier drink option.